I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a quick review of my Amazon Dash Smart Shelf. So this is the large smart shelf. It's also available in a medium and small size. It's basically a web-connected scale that ties into your Amazon account. And you can set it up, it's battery powered, so you can put it anywhere in your house. It connects to your Wi-Fi. You could put it in a supply closet, you could put it in a refrigerator. I've got it here in my laundry room, and then you can put any product on top of it. And it'll actually measure the weight of that product all the time and update Amazon about how much of the product you have left. And then you can set it so that as you get below a certain point, it'll automatically reorder more of that product. So you could use it, for example, with dog food or something where you're going to use a little bit at a time. Put that on top of the scale, and then you could actually see in your Alexa app exactly what percentage of full stock you have, and then when you reached a certain level, maybe 50%, Amazon would automatically order more for you, and then you could put it on your smart scale and never run out of that product. So it's an easy way to automatically place orders for new things that you use over time. In this instance, I'm testing it with La Croix water. So you can see right now, I've got my La Croix water on there. I've already taken one out, and this is a little bit lighter, so I'm going to take a look at my app over here. You can see I'm currently using 70% I'm currently down to 70% of the product I've chosen to order, which is another version of La Croix that I'd like to have next. So now let's see what happens if I take something out of this container and take one of these out. And there you go. Now you can see it's down to 60% with that one removed. So if I kept taking these out and I got low on my water, then it would actually, at my predetermined point, place an order, and I get this next chunk of La Croix water, put it on the scale again, and it would restart. And that way I know I'll never run out. Even if I'm taking these out, it'll automatically be updating and placing orders to keep me in stock.